Hey guys, so these days love is in the air as Valentine's Day is coming soon. So I want to talk about one person who has added love and sweetness in my life, and that is my toddler kid. Right from the day he was born, my life was filled with the joy, love and excitement, and our day begins with lots of sweet cuddles and lots of laughter. These feelings can't be expressed more in words because it is just to love and be loved. The same way, I want to show you one more thing that has got lot of excitement, and that is the cookies from the CookieMan. And they have a wide variety of range. Like these are the Choco Chunk cookies, you can have a brandy snap cookies, you can have hand pound chocolate cookies, and see how beautiful this the gift hamper. This is the perfect gift you can give on the Valentine's Day to your loved ones. These are all handmade cookies, and these sweet cookies just taste so amazing. It's like this, and with the nice packaging, and when you taste these cookies you will feel just like wow. So if you also want to buy these cookies, then you can use my code on their website to get 20% discount. The discount code is influencer20.